Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to How To Fridays. This week I'm going to show you how to put on your lipstick, more specifically how to make it look a little bit fuller if you have thin lips. So if you want to know how, then keep on watching. So now that we are up close and personal, we are gonna go right into how I line my lips and how to make it seem fuller without it looking fake or off and weird. And I do have a tip before we start off, and that is whenever you're doing your lipstick, make sure that it looks good from the side profile as well, because if it looks fake from the side, people are gonna know because they're not always gonna see you from the front. So whenever you do your lipstick, make sure it looks good from all angles, front at an angle and from the side. That is what you want to know. But what I like to do is what everybody has, even if you don't have a cupid's bow, it doesn't matter if you have or don't have one. Basically, we all have a white line going right above our lip, and that is where you want to line it. Now, you don't want to line that line all the way down to the corner of your mouth. The reason for that is because that's how you get those fake looking fillers that some people have had in the past, more in the past than recent. And that's just because in the beginning they didn't know the anatomy of the lip, or maybe they didn't care, I don't know. You want it to be filler in the center. You want it to be fuller in the center than on the outer corners because you want that nice little smile, I guess you can say. You don't want it to look like duck lips or duck face. When it comes to your lower lip, if you have something like mine where you don't see, when you look at me straight forward, you can't see the whole full lower lip of mine because it goes underneath as well. If I bite my lip, and you can see it goes all the way down here, and that's where I want to line it. I want my lower lip to be lined at the actual line, and my lower lip just on the white line that I have above here, and then on the actual line in the outer corners, because you want these corners to meet where they naturally meet. Enough talking, and then now into doing. So I'm just gonna be using a lipstick from Kiko Milano. This one happens to be shade 303 lip liner. And then I'm just gonna put the lipstick on. This one is also from Kiko Milano. It's the shade 214, and I'm just gonna put that on. Now, before you blot, before you do anything else, you want to keep the lipstick accessible if you don't have a very wet lipstick. This one, I think I will be fine not adding more product to it, but I take a pencil brush, and this is a pencil brush from a dollar store, and it's this small, and I use this to kind of sharpen the lip and blending the lip liner with the lipstick color, just because rarely do you have the exact same shade of lip liner and lipstick. This lip liner happens to be between two lipstick colors that I have from that store. So what I want to do is I will try first without any product on. And I'm just gonna go along the lip line and then redefine it where I want to define it more or sharpen the edge and the look. Then what I like to do is go ahead and use a flat brush like this. And I take a setting powder. This one just happened to be the L'Oreal Paris True Match in the shade Ivory Rose. And I just take my setting powder and I go along the lines around my lip. I feel like that creates an extra barrier. And then lastly, what you want to do is take a piece of paper and then blot your lipstick on that. If you don't have a piece of paper nearby, but you do have a sink, just suck on your finger, move it back and forth, and then wash it off in the sink or something like that. But I'm not going to do that here, so... And that is how you get a fuller lip, or a little bit fuller of a lip, without over exaggerating your look, but more of enhancing what you already have. So that is all I have for you today, and if you liked the video, please leave a like down below, and if you have any questions or anything like that, then leave a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. Now, I upload my how-to Fridays every Friday at 7 o'clock Norwegian time, which makes it about 2 o'clock New York time. Now, next week is gonna be Christmas holiday break, so I am taking a break off of YouTube for that 1 week, but I will be back again on the new year. So until then, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!